Meaning of fumbling.
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 Fumbling. The word fumbling typically refers to actions that are clumsy, awkward, or uncoordinated. It can describe physical movements, such as fumbling for a key in a lock, or more abstract actions, such as fumbling through a speech or presentation. When someone is fumbling, they may appear unsure or hesitant, and their actions may lack precision or confidence. The outcome of fumbling can vary depending on the situation, but it often results in mistakes, delays, or a general sense of disorganization. Overall, fumbling is usually seen as a negative characteristic or behavior.